what do we have here?
This is a customized working wardrobe.
Do you design this?
Yep.
Awesome. What is on this side?
So this side is actually all the hanging space. Let me just show you.
Is that LED lights?
Yeah, I catered the light for her so she can easily access her clothes in the morning or at night without switching on the main light.
Right, this is like the switches, right?
Yeah, correct.
Right, nice. And what's on this side?
This is specially designed as an open concept to allow her to put her daily clothes, so there's ventilations and more breathable space for her clothes.
Right.
Yeah, and on this side,
I see lights.
let me
Open it. Open it
Yeah.
and show. Wow.
This is storage shelvings for her bags collections. Of course, you can put other storage items, yeah, but mainly the lights itself also helps to amplify the look to become like a collection display space.
Very pretty. For her bags. I can see that she loves bags.
Yeah, all ladies, right?
This is a little different. Do you design this purposely to match the doors?
Yeah,
Design
so the concept was to give a bit of contrast to this space. So I actually create two different material to this working wardrobe. So this part here, let me just show you, is actually for her jewelries, watches, or men's belt.
It's like a mini organizer.
Correct.
So
So
there's two in one.
Yeah, so this is actually designed as an internal drawer, so to help her further organize her stuff.
Very nice. And it's of course next to a vanity, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a girl's dream, isn't it?
Yes, I would love to have a dressing table this big for myself.
Born princess.
Okay, so this is actually designed for her to, do her daily makeup. At the same time, it's designed in a way, the space planning part is actually very near to the toilet.
The toilet, which is here.
Yeah. So,
Right.
so she can just come out of the toilet and go directly here to blow her hair. And these drawers are also to help keep her facial products, the hair dryers, and other
the towels and
laundries.
stuff.
Yes.
Very nice. Well, it's a very nice concept. Thank you, Minky.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.